Okay. Pricing method. One second. Yeah. So we have completed this one, Salesforce CPQ basics, right? So I have given you the overview regarding the C configuration, P pricing, Q quote, right? And how the sales process will flow. Those details I have already explained. Okay. And contract renewals. This model will come later. Okay, so once we will complete through means till order, then we will see what is contract renewal amending. Okay, so all these things we will know after order is completed. Okay, but contract is generally means in our daily means talk we are telling, right? There is a contract between this account. So you remember contract is basically related to account. Okay, so contract is basically related to account. So if you'll go to any account, you can see there is a related list object that is called contract. So contract is a related list of account. Okay, so because contract happened between accounts only, right? So Mindtree as a account has a contract with Lenovo, right? So Lenovo is another account. So there is a contract between the accounts. So that's why contract is the related list of account. Okay, so yeah. Mm, and we basically sometimes based on the customer need we have to renew the contract. Okay, so basically we will be renewing it monthly or yearly. Okay, so based on the customer requirement we'll be renewing it. Or let's say one first contract is running for 1 year, we'll be renewing the same contract, then again for next 1 year it will be renewed and the contract will run, so like that. Okay, so these things will means read once the order will be completed. Okay, this is the basic things. So let me just go to the product. Before that, let me open, yeah, let me open this doc. Yeah, so I have even told you, right, how to know means which product is subscription product, which one is non-subscription product. Okay, so based on the pricing method we can know subscription pricing. The method is the price subscription pricing field, fixed price or percent of total. So based on that, if there will be any value on subscription pricing field, then we should know, okay, this is the subscription product. If no value, it is blank, then it is a non-subscription product. Okay, so there is one example. You can see subscription product MS Office 365 cloud storage. Okay, so how we will be calculating the subscription term? Okay, so basically subscription term means for how many means intervals we will have that subscription. That is the interval, whether that will be 1 month, 1 year, or 3 months, means quarterly, 6 months. Okay, so anything means if you are defining on your setting level the means I mean subscription terms as month, then if you will define the subscription term as one, then it will determine 1 month. If in setting label you have year, then it is 1 year. If you define one, then it is 1 year. Fine. Any doubt till now?
No.
No. Okay, so let's take one example. This is one product, MS Office 365. Okay, and in the product, okay, in the product we have a field called subscription term. In the product we have a field called subscription term. That means, see, this is the field, this is the product detail. So we have the field called subscription term. One, suppose in the setting label you have defined it as month. So if you will write one means it will recognize it as 1 month. Okay, so that means this Microsoft Office 365, if you will use this product per one for 1 month, you have to pay whatever payment you have defined in the price book. That amount you have to pay. So price book is another related list I have shown, right?
Yes.
So price book is one of the related list present on the product. So whatever amount you have defined there, suppose $100, and here for that particular product you have defined subscription term as 1. So that means for if you will be using for 1 month, you have to pay $100. Okay, so this is how you can define the subscription product. So suppose admin hour, let's take one example, and here what is the subscription term? 12 months. Okay, for 12 months if you'll use, then you have to pay $75. So that means if you will pay, if you will use it for let's say 6 months, then you have to pay half of this 75, right? That is 34.5, 32.5, sorry, 32.5, right? So like that you have to define. So for product, if you will find the subscription term is defined and the price book is defined, that means this subscription product, if you'll use for this term, then you have to pay this much of amount, subscription, sorry, price book amount. Okay, this is what it is telling. So now you can calculate. So for 1 month, okay, so it is defined the subscription term as 1 month for my MS Office. That means if you are using for 1 month, how much you have to pay? $10. Price is $10. This is nothing but the price book price. Okay, so $10. If you are using for 1 month, you have to pay $10. If you will use it for 12 months, then 10 into 12, $120. Straightforward. Correct? Any
Yes.
doubt? Nothing, right?
No.
Yeah. So for cloud storage, you tell in the product label, you have seen this is defined as 12 months and price is defined as 20. That means if you'll use for 12 months, you have to pay 20. So if you'll use for 12 months, how much you have to pay? Same 20,
Don't.
20, right? If you have to use it for 1 month, you have to pay $10. For 12 months, it is $120.
What?
Already it is defined for 12 months. 12 months you are paying $20. So again for 12 months or 1 year, you have to pay 20, same $20. Correct? And
Yes.
now the question is where this 12 you are calculating, where you are bringing up this 12. Here how, why I am telling this 12? This 12 is coming from quote. So there are two subscription term, two places where you can see this field subscription term. One is on the product level, one is on the quote level.
Okay.
Okay, so if you'll go to a quote, if you'll open one quote, okay, let me just search subscription term. See, okay. Otherwise, if you will be doing edit lines here, here also you will find a field subscription term, same 6 months, right? So that means in product level, you are, it is defined as 1 month. In the quote level, you are defining as 12. This one as 12. So that means how you will calculate. So you will calculate like, okay, so 1 month if I'll be paying $10, then quote level 12 month I have to pay 10 into 20, 10 into 12, that is $120. Similarly, so in product level it is defined as 12 months. So that means for 12 months if I'll be using, I have to pay $20. Again for the quote subscription term, it is defined as 12. So that means again it is asking for $12, how much you have to pay? Same $20. Okay,
Uh,
so this is
and
what.
and
Yeah,
there might be chance if we pay for 12 month instead of 1 month, there some amount should be reduced, like
reduced.
discount.
Yes,
We can
yes,
get discount.
yes, and that is called prorate multiplier or prorate calculation. Okay, how prorate will be calculated? Quote subscription term divided by your product subscription term into your price.
Okay.
So here quote subscription term is 12, product subscription term is 1. So 12 by 1 is 12.
12.
12 into 10 is 12, 120. Correct. Now
Yes.
quote subscription term is 12, product subscription term is 12. So 12 by 12 is 1. 1 into 20 is 20. So always remember prorate multiplier. If someone will ask, you will say quote subscription term divided by product subscription term into price.
Okay.
Okay, if in setting label it is defined as month, there can be month plus day, some means year. So in other values will be there. On basis of that, your proration will be calculated differently. But simple and straightforward is month. If you are keeping your setting as month, then directly code subscription term divided by your product subscription term into your price. That is what it is
Okay.
showing here. Okay, subscription term. Okay, so subscription term and proration. So this is how you will see prorate multiplier means 6. Where this 6 came? See, code subscription term and product subscription term is 1. So 6 divided by 1, 6 into 10 is 60. So as you said, Ramesh, so you are using it for 6 months and you have to pay 20. But if you are using for double means 12 months, so 6 divided by 12, 1 by 2 into a is 10. Sorry, 12 months you are using and you have to pay 20. But you are using it for 6 months means half. That means 12, it will be 6 divided by 12.5 into 20. Always code subscription term divided by your product subscription term. Code divided by product is prorate multiplier. Okay, any doubt, Niku, Ramesh, any doubt?
No.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is what the setting is I was talking about, subscription term unit. Okay, and prorate precision is month. So based on that, if you will keep it as month and month, direct calculation you will do. Okay, so it can be see, this is a pick list value, so there is a probability. Okay, so month plus day, day plus year, year plus month plus day, so like that you have to decide. So there is another calculation I will show you later, that one. Okay, when we will be covering up the pricing rule. Okay, pricing unit, so that time I will show you. Okay, but now straightforward calculation with month is like this: code subscription term divided by product subscription term is your prorate multiplier, and into price is your total. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, yeah. Let me just open trailer. So basic is done. Now we will learn about the product bundle, those things. Okay, this is the most important one. Okay, so let me just, so this is the sales process which I have told. Okay, now product. Okay, we'll see what is product. So product is nothing but means anything which can be subscribed or which cannot be subscribed, means non-subscribed one, but you are selling it with some certain price to the customer or end user, that is called a product, right? So product can be subscription product or non-subscription product. Now in our last session I have given you one example like desktop. So I termed it as desktop bundle. Why? Because I have gathered or combined some products together and I renamed it as a bundle, desktop bundle, right? So like mouse, keyboard, CPU, UPS, all these are individual or standalone products, and I have combined all those products, and I means monitor everything I have combined, and I put it together and told it is a desktop bundle. So someone, means some customer or any end user, if they will come and will ask me, okay, I want to purchase this desktop, I will give all those products together and I will give him in a price, certain price which I have decided. Okay, so that is called a bundle. Now bundle is a how many types? Three types of bundle: static bundle, configurable bundle, and nested bundle. So what is static bundle? So static bundle is once you have bundled all those products, you can change it. That is called the static bundle. Okay, so that means you have bundled the desktop bundle, okay, for one quantity. Now you can't change to two quantity, or let's say you can't remove any product from that bundle. So that is called a static. Any kind of changes it won't allow. That is called static bundle. Okay, configurable bundle means which will allow you to change the bundle, or configure means quantity you can change, or if you want to add any new product you can add. Okay, that is called the configurable bundle. And nested bundle is bundle within a bundle is called nested bundle. Okay, suppose with desktop bundle you want to sell, let's say, a router bundle. You have made another bundle called router where you are putting some wi-fi devices, some means net means internet related things together, and you have created a bundle. So bundle with another bundle, if you are selling together, that is called nested bundle. So bundle within a bundle is called nested bundle. So these are the three types of bundle in CPQ. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let me first configure a product and then the bundle. I will just show you here and you can practice it later. So for product, I will click on the product tab and I will see all the products here listed in this org. Okay, all products. Now, how I will configure a new product? Suppose in one release or in a sprint, we got a new requirement from the client and they have given some products, new products. Okay, they have launched a new products and they wanted us to add it in our CPQ org. How we will add a product? So simply we will go to the products tab and we will click on new. There we have to provide some information like product name and product code if they have given. Okay, product brand, product family. So whatever fields, these are all CPQ specified field. If we want to have any customized field, we can have, and we can define those fields as well. But basically, these are the fields which we should define for a product for, to make it active. And one more most important is we have to make the active checkbox checked. Otherwise, this product won't be visible in the product selection page while we will be trying to add it in the code, right? Suppose the product is xyz and we are creating a code where we have to add this product xyz. In that time means at that time we can't see this xyz product if we won't make it as active.
Okay.
Okay, any doubt?
No.
Yeah, so this is what the product, this is how we will add the product. And next thing, this two field we have to remember. What is this two field? Configuration type and configuration event. This two field is required for bundle, not for standalone product, but for bundle. So whenever we are creating any bundle, mandatorily we have to give this configuration type and configuration event. Means this is the best practice to give the configuration type and configuration event for defining or configuring any type of product bundle, not for standalone product.
Okay.
It is not required. Okay, so this is how we will define the product. So let me open one product, 10-inch tablet. First thing, tell me what whether this is a subscription product or non-subscription product,
Non-subscription.
because these fields are blank. Okay, fine, good, great. Now what I have defined, what details I have defined here. So I have given the name, I have given the product code, and put the active checkbox, which family it will belongs to. So hardware family. Brand I have given Samsung. See, this is a standalone product. Why standalone product? Because we don't have any options here. In last session, I have told, right, how you will differentiate product, standalone product and bundle. So bundle will contains the options mandatorily, but standalone product
Yes.
doesn't have any options. So this is a standalone product. Okay, and we are not defining any configuration type and event for this product. Okay, and one more thing is one more important thing. This is the what you can say your certification questions as well. How means why a product means, or how a product can means can't be visible in the product selection page. Okay, what is product selection page? I will show you. So I will go to the code, I will choose this code, and I will click on edit lines. In this quote, if I want to add any products, then I will click on add products. Whatever page is coming, this is called product selection page,
Okay.
and I can see all the products here, all the active products here. So whatever I was talking that time, I was talking about this page, product selection page.
Okay.
Okay, so if you won't mark that active checkbox for that product, you can't see that product here in this product selection page. Okay, that is one point. Second point is, if you are not defining any price book for any new product or any existing product, that time also you can't see this product in the product selection page. Okay, this is second point. So you have to define the price book for any product,
Okay.
and compulsorily for any product standard price book is defined, and you can add n number of custom price book entry here for this product, n number of custom price book. But to add custom price book, standard price book must be present. Without
Okay.
standard price book you can't add custom price book, because if you'll try to add custom price book without any standard price book, it will throw you an error that standard price book should be present before adding any custom price book.
Okay.
Okay, so you can add n number of custom price book for any means for any product, and one standard price book. Why multiple price book is needed for a product? For one basic example I'm giving, let's say you are a author of one book. Okay, two state is one book and you are a author. Now you want to sell this book to two organization. One organization is institution kind of organization, that means college or means institutes. Okay, training institutes, those institutes you want to sell that book. So they are already earning money, so they are rich people. So you want to keep a standard price like $100 for their institution. Okay, and one type of institution is NGO, where they are having less means money, or they are helping other people with zero cost. So you want to put $50 for that price means book. So at
Yes.
that time you can define two price book for that particular product. That is the necessity.
Okay. So where we are mentioning to differentiate this institute in price book.
No, no, no. um, Here means that is one example I have given. Okay, now let's say you are creating a quote. Okay, you are creating the quote. Now when you are going to add that product in this quote, that time you have to select which price book you want to add, whether
Okay.
that
It's
custom price
manual.
book or price. Yes, that time if you will choose custom price book, then it will be added as $100. But if you will choose for standard price book or any other custom price book, that will be added with $50. Here you can have that option. Before adding that product, it will ask you which means add product. Okay, which type of product you want to add, means which type of what you can say price book.
Price book.
Not here, here it will ask. So you will select custom price book, then it will show you that product, and with that price, $100. Okay,
Okay.
that way you can sell it. Okay, so this is how the product okay, so product should be active and price book should be added to that product. Otherwise this product won't be visible in the product selection page. One more thing is component checkbox. If we will mark this component checkbox, then also you can't see this product in the product selection page. So this checkbox shouldn't be checked.
Okay. So the active one should be enabled and component should be disabled.
Component should be disabled, and price book, this one price book should be given. Okay, when you can give the component based on the client requirement. Suppose they want to sell this product in a bundle without any cost or anything, then that time you can select the bundle from the price book, sorry, in the product selection page. But you can't see this product as means a standalone product. So you, if you'll try to add this product separately, you can't add. That will be visible in the bundle, inside the bundle, but you can't add it separately. Just like mouse. Okay, mouse is there individually, and even mouse is there inside the desktop bundle. Whenever you are selecting bundle, means desktop bundle, you are getting the mouse as a option for that desktop bundle. But if you want to sell one more mouse alone with that code, you can see the mouse there. You understood?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that way it will means block you to sell or to see in the product selection page. So this component checkbooks, if this will be checked, then it won't be visible in the product selection page. See, this is what it is written, excluding it from selection in the product lookup. If you'll mark it. Okay. So this is how you can define this means product. You can make it as active. Okay. So let me go to there. Yeah. So it is given how to add a product in the code. So you can add any product. Okay. With this example. So let me go to the next module. We'll go module base. Okay. It will be easy. Yeah. So I have told, right, in the bundle, these two fields are compulsory to give or required. Okay, configuration type and configuration event. So if you'll go to any product, this is a standalone product. Okay, because configuration type event is not given and option is not given. So I will select one bundle. Let's say this is one bundle. How this is a bundle? Because I have given some options. Okay, now configuration type and event is not given for this bundle. So what will happen if I will add this product in the code? So I will go to the code, I'll select any code and I will try to add this product. What will happen?
It won't show there.
I'll tell. So tele, okay, telecommuter workstation. It is there. It is there in product selection page. And I will select. Directly this product will be added into your code. See, and these are the options. See, this arrow mark, this means this is a bundle. Inside this bundle, these are the options present. Again, this is another bundle, telecommuter workstation. These are the options, but it won't allow you to change the quantity or anything in the configuration. It won't allow you the configuration of this bundle. What is configuration? I will tell. So let's say I'm defining the configuration type and event. Okay, where is that one? Yeah. Okay, so configuration type. Let's say required always. Okay, so this is dependent field. Based on this field, the below value will be displayed. Okay, so if you select required, that means below you can see only none and always. And if you select allowed, then you can see allows always add edit. So this is dependent. Okay, so required always, let's say save. Now again, let's add this product in the code and see what is the difference happening. So same code I have taken. Any code you can choose. Okay, I have taken the same code here. Now add product. I will search for that product, same product. Okay. Now earlier when I have clicked on this select button, it was directly added in the code. Now what is happening, you can see. So now we are in product selection page. Earlier what was happening, from product selection directly it is jumping to the code. Now let's click on select. You can see there is one more page came,
Yes.
configure products, where you can see that bundle and your options, where you can choose your options as per your choice or client requirement, as per client requirement.
Yes.
Okay, so here earlier what happened, whatever is already selected or means checked, those were added. Now if I want to means remove this and this, I can. based on the client requirement. If I want to add this and one from this, that's it, and save. Now my new bundle will be added with whatever selection I have made with those options. Okay, these are the options I have selected. Okay, this is the work of this configuration type and configuration event.
So if
So
we choose only configuration type, not configuration event, then
let me show you. So product, okay, telecommuter workstation, edit, okay, let me change it to none. By default it is coming none. Okay, now required, this is none, save. Okay, so what will happen, see, where is it? Type means what type of configuration you want to make. Event means when you want to means make the configuration. So like add, edit, or means always means add plus edit. Okay, or none means never. So I have choose required and none. Okay, now let me go to the code. Okay, now edit lines. If I want to remove the existing product also, I can remove by clicking on delete lines by selecting the product from the code. Okay, now this is blank. Add product. Now telecommuter, select. Same thing happened. Same page happened. Okay, none means same like always you can say. Okay, but before that, what is add, what is edit, you have to know. Then you can define what is none. So let me check with other detail. Product, telecommuter workstation. Okay, now let me edit. I will select allowed always. This is the best case. Okay, allowed, and let's say add. Add means, okay, let me open this one. Add means after product selection, you are getting the configuration product page.
yes,
Okay, that is because of add. Okay, if you won't choose it add, let's say edit. Okay, save. Then what will happen? Code,
It will go to the code directly and then we can edit.
exactly. So edit line, add product, telecommuter. Now let's see. For means earlier I have kept it as always. So product selection, then product configuration page was coming, then code. Now I'm trying to add it. What will happen? It will be directly added in the code, but it will allow you to configure again. How? This reconfiguration line. Because of edit only, this reconfiguration line came. So you can click on this one and come back to the configuration product page and do your changes and add or save. Okay, add means after product selection, first time it will come. Okay, then on the code you will add. Okay, edit means first time it won't come, but reconfigure you can do. Means second time you can come back. Okay, always and none means every time it will come in the first. Means add plus edit. Add means configuration, edit means reconfiguration. Okay, now let me just change it to add and we'll see. Telecommuter workstation.
If we do add, it won't allow us to edit, right?
Yeah,
Only one time we can configure.
only one time, only first time. So only configuration, no reconfiguration. So add, save. Okay, now quote. I'll select a quote, edit lines. Okay, let me add the telecommuter. Telecommuter version. This one. Now you see the difference. Earlier means what it was happening. Product selection with edit. Product selection directly added in the quote. There is a range symbol. I'm clicking on that and I'm coming back to the product configuration page. That is with the edit. Now I have selected as add. So that means first time it will give you the configuration. Means after selection configuration product. Okay. Now with this default option I am going. Now save. Okay. Now let me just here. Can you see the range symbol here? Reconfiguration line. Can you see? No, right?
No.
So that means add means only first time. That means configuration. Okay, add means configuration.
Yes.
Okay, so add means configuration. Edit means reconfiguration. Always or none means
Both configuration and reconfiguration.
both. Sorry, both conf and reconf. Okay, so that means first time also you can see the configuration page. After adding on the code you can see the range symbol and you can go back to the reconfiguration. Means click on this reconfiguration and go back to the configuration page. So first time, second time, that means configuration, reconfiguration. Okay, so this is how the configuration type and configuration event work for a bundle.
Okay.
Okay, so to create a bundle, first you have, means compulsory you have to define a define option for that product. Okay, you have to define the option for that product. So that means you have to add some products inside the product. Telecommuter workstation is a product. Inside this product you are adding this many products. That's how you are making this product as a bundle. Okay, if you will go to any storeroom, like do you ever visited to Ratnadeep or any big bazaar? If you'll go, if you'll see their billing means computer na billing system, then you can see this SKU. They have written this SKU. There you can see. So SKU defines the product only. There are two types of SKU. One is optional SKU. Okay, let me just show you. One is configurable. Okay, configured SKU. One is optional SKU. See these two. Inside a
O-
option, product option, you can see two types of SKU. One is optional SKU, one is configured SKU. This is a certification question. Okay, so optional SKU means this is the child object which you are adding. Configured SKU means this is the parent object which is the bundle.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say I am adding a new product option here. Okay, new. By default, you can see configured SKU is coming telecommuter workstation because I'm adding inside this telecommuter workstation product bundle. Right
Okay.
now it is asking me to choose the option or optional SKU. So it is a lookup for the product. I can select from this product or I can create a new product here also. Okay, and price book whatever I can define, but I can choose anything. Let's say mouse, whether mouse is there. Yes, mouse is there, so I can select and mouse. How many means I can choose the quantity, how many number I want. Number is the display number, how it will be displayed in the sequence. This is the display number. Okay, and
Okay.
selected means this is the selected and required. Selected means this is the selected one. On the code I will again show you the telecommuter. When I will add the telecommuter bundle, okay, See, some checkbox you can see with grayed out, some are with blue checked.
Yes, yes.
This blue checked is selected. That means whenever you will add this bundle in the product selection page, from product selection page, when you will select this product bundle, by default whatever you have given as selected, it will be selected with blue. But grayed out checkbox means these are all required. That means you can't change it. Okay, so nothing means this is not selected or not even required. Later you can select it. Okay, and these are the quantity which you have defined there. So if you'll go to that product, okay, so options, you can see selected are headphones, USB webcam. That's why these two are coming as blue color checked, but required. These three are required. That's why grayed out. Checked but grayed out because compulsory required. You can change. Okay, by default we haven't given any quantity, so it is taking it as one. Okay, and this is the number, display number. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So like that it will be displayed here in the row.
Okay.
Okay, and if you want to make a quantity as editable, you can check this checkbox and you can change this quantity in quote level. Because see, suppose let me edit one thing. Let me check quantity as 5, let's say. For which one? Keyboard US layout. Let's see what is happening. I will go to the quote. Edit lines. Okay, add product. Tell commuter was station. Now select. Hmm. Which one? US layout. See, now the quantity became 5. Okay, let me save. Let me just check. Huh. Okay, now I have made the quantity editable, but still it is logged. Right? There is another concept that is called your type. I'll tell you. Not now, but next class. This type. Okay, even though you are not selecting this quantity editable, you can change the quantity in the configuration page, right?
Yes.
See, for others this quantity editable is not selected, but still you can change the quantity one you can means changing
Yes,
in the
yes,
configuration page,
yes.
right? But even though you made the quantity editable, still you can change because of type. So I will tell you what is the type pick list, which value will give what result. Okay,
For
Okay.
and
for
how you will change.
this
Yeah,
quantity to be editable, type should be related product, right?
correct, correct. So type field I will tell, means I will explain you in detail in the next class. It is very
And
important.
okay, and can you go to the code line page
Yeah,
once?
yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay. I mean, in some page I saw these products categorized under system peripherals and other categories. So those are features, right?
Feature concept I haven't given you. So feature is like this is the just like, okay, you have different types of mouse. Okay, so cordless mouse, corded mouse, and Bluetooth mouse, like that many mouse are there. So you can keep mouse as a feature, and inside that feature you can add the corded mouse, cordless mouse, Bluetooth mouse, those products. So feature is to means show the feature of that particular product. So just like you want to add the network items. Okay, so you can create a feature called network peripherals. Inside that you can add all the router, means Wi-Fi, cable, all those things. Okay, so feature is not mandatory to create a bundle, but option is mandatory to create a bundle. Okay, so what is feature? Feature is to define what kind of products you are adding and you are grouping inside a particular feature. So camera feature means inside camera feature what are the products we have added. So we can see. Okay, one second, not here. I will go to the option. Let me check whether those are all defined under okay, so this keyboard us layout, this is defined under system peripheral feature. Okay, so feature I will tell in details in the next class. We will cover feature and this options, this type, component, everything. But you remember, to create a bundle, option is always mandatory. It's always mandatory to create a bundle. Okay, and in option, sorry, I have clicked on the product. This is the option PO means product option. Okay, some fields we need to check, means we need to go through, like selected I told, required I told, quantity I told, quantity editable I told, minimum quantity, maximum quantity. So what is the minimum quantity you want to sell for this product, keyword layout. So if you'll define that minimum quantity, then below that you can't, means add. So suppose the minimum quantity is 1. Below 1 means you can make it as 0. Suppose minimum quantity is 5. Below 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1. You can do it. You can sell 4 number of US keyboard or 3 number keyboard. Okay, like that. Maximum means maximum 5. So beyond 5 you can sell. These are the maximum minimum quantity. Okay, quote line visibility also one of the field I will tell. Okay, and there are some pricing fields also you can see in the related, means see advanced settings. You can see what are the component code. This is one topic I will cover. Component, how to make a component code. Okay, how to make a product code for any product. Okay, so these are the details for product options. And feature is completely a different thing, where we can categorize many product options inside one feature. So under system peripheral, we can have multiple options, whatever are there inside telecommuter workstation. Under headphone speakers, we can have multiple means options. So like that, for every options, let's say five options are there. Out of five, two I will categorize inside system peripheral. Another two I will categorize inside headphone. Another one I will categorize as camera. So like that. Okay, for desktop bundle, you are keeping mouse and suppose you are using two mouse, corded and cordless mouse. Both you are keeping it under mouse feature. And keyboard you are keyboard, CPU and UPS you are keeping it under hardware category. So you can create a hardware feature and inside under that you can add these three products. And all the cables you are means keeping under cable category, cable feature. So you can keep under cable feature. Okay, so this is how you can define a bundle. Okay, there are some more things for the bundle I will cover in the next class, because if I'll tell today, then it will be out of, means it will be bounce.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah, so any doubt as of now?
No, nothing from my side.
Let me stop this recording.